Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about this is for zodiac sign Virgo, and the question is what is going to happen in September 2020 for my dear Virgo. I am directly going towards the reading. There are your cards. Now your first card is Justice card. You have done something or something that happened to you. Because of that you are going to have a justice. Maybe someone had done something bad to you and you are very upset about it, and that's why the universe is giving you this justice card. There's justice happening with you, and I think you are going to have a wheel of fortune. You are going to have your fortune with you, your faith with you, good faith, good fortune with this justice card. Okay, now you have this 7 of wands, and with this card I think that you are not anymore defending yourself, that you are not telling the lie about your some mistakes. You are not defending it. You are not defending your own mistakes. You are telling the truth over here, and you are a brave person. You are not afraid of anything. You are just telling the truth. What is the truth over here? Truth over here. Yes. Okay. The truth in this situation. I think that with this card, you are not happy in this happy situation. This is the card of happy situation, but you are not happy in this situation. You are sad, or maybe you are not in love with someone. Maybe this is your marriage and you are not happy with that person you married, and you want to get free, to get independence, to divorce that person, to leave that person. You are not happy in this situation, and you are telling that to this person. You are not defending, you are not lying, you are not behaving as nothing happens. You just telling them the truth that you are not happy with them. Okay, now you are not stubborn in this card. With this card in reverse position, you are not stubborn anymore. You don't want to make a lot of money. You want to be happy. You want to make a lovely happy home life, and you don't want to you don't want to I think you also don't take this person, or you are going to leave that person. You are not protecting this person anymore. This is the unrequired love for you. This person is not good for you. You are not happy with that person, and it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Yes, with this situation, don't stop loving others. Don't stop caring about others. Love someone else. That is good for you. That is good for you, and trust on other persons. Okay, don't lose your hope. Don't lose your trust over others. Okay, strangely lonely. Under this non-stubbornness card, there is strangely lonely, holding on way too tight, and you are once again you are leaving this stubbornness, this determination over here. You are not happy with this person, and now you realize that you are not happy with this person. You are not faking that you are happy with this person. You want to live with this person. You are just telling the truth, and you are doing that what you want to do. You are leaving this person over here. Okay. I want to pull some more cards for you. Okay, your first card is I think you are attracted towards someone, and that person don't know that you are attracted towards that person. That person is doing their own work, and are watching them, you are maybe stalking them. Okay, and with this other card, know your worth and stop giving discounts to others. Definitely know your worth and stop giving discounts to others. Okay, uh, do what you want to do, what is good for you. And then you have trying to make you laugh. He will trying to make you laugh funny. All the women likes the funny guys. Okay, I think the other person is trying to make you laugh. This person, that the new person you love, is trying. This person trying to make you laugh. This person is good person, and the other person, and you are going to be happy with that person. They loves you. They care about you. Okay, showing is better than telling. Yes, show them what you want. Tell them what you want to do. Leave if you want to leave them. Okay, hole. There is a hole in this situation. That person don't let you go that easy. Surely that person will restrict you. They will going to bond you. They don't let you go that easily. Okay, and the other part is what's a queen without her king? Well, historically speaking, more powerful. Yes. If you are a woman, then you are more powerful without that person. Or maybe if you are man, that you also are more powerful without that lady. Okay. Yes, this person is a very toxic person, I think so. That person is sucking your energy, sucking your blood. Nobody is too busy. It's just a matter of priority. Okay, maybe this person don't give you a lot of time, a lot of their time. They don't want to get your stronger time with you. You are alone in this with this card. You are alone in with them. You don't think that you have someone with you, but you think that you are alone with this person. Don't be easy to define you. Let them wonder about you. Don't be easy to define you. Let them wonder about you. Okay, definitely. Okay, be secretive to that person. Don't tell them all about yourself. Okay, let them wonder about you. Okay, don't tell them everything. What are you going to do? Who is the person that you are going to marry? Okay, with 20 number, this number is for judgment card, and you, or maybe you have to judge that person or other person, or maybe you are judging by the universe, and now universe is giving you something because they think that you are the perfect person or you are a lovable person. 2 is the desire, and 0 number is to join with the universe, to join with the Almighty Allah, whatever your God is. So pray a lot. And then a beautiful gold goddess of Yaud, who supplies the other god and goddess with the apples of immortality forever. Okay, maybe the next person, that person is good for you. They are very beautiful, maybe younger than you, and they are going to give you a lot of love, the love that is immortal, the love is forever. Okay, the true love, they are going to give you true love. People think being strong is not to feel pain, but the truth is, to be strong you have to experience pain. Yes, definitely. If you are strong, you have to experience the pain. You will surely experience the pain. You are stronger with that person, and you are showing your strength over here, that I am not the person you can break, but they force you to, they forcefully break you down. That person will done something bad to you, surely. In order to insult me, I must first value your opinion. Nice try, so. Yes, Tell them, I am not caring about you, not care about you, what you are um, speaking about me, telling others about me. I am not care about it. I am now on my own. I'm going to do what I want to do. Tell, do whatever you want to do. I am not with you now. Okay, white color. The white color is also the connection with higher self, with Allah, with the universe, and this is the purity color, for purity, for modest person. Okay, and pray a lot with this part. Okay, Michael, audiences, 8 verses, 3 in one of your okay, the person that you married in past, or you are going to leave that person is not good person. The person as the father, as the child, and this person is not good. You cannot control that person. They will shout on you or something, like they are doing something like this, quarreling with you, fighting with you. So don't care about that person. This person is not good for you. Leave them. If the rumor is positive, people will verify and then trust it. But if the rumor is negative, people will believe it without verification. Maybe someone had tell them about you something wrong, and they believe it without asking you, without having any clarity with you. They are just believe on it, and they are going to fight with you. And when the person is doing this, they are not loving you. They are not loving you truly. They are just faking it. They love you, or just they are attracted towards you. I am 99% angel, but oh, that 1%. Yes, you are a 99% angel. You are a good person, but when somebody want to harm you, stand for your right. Fight with that person. Tell them that you are a good person, but you are not the coward person. My only regret is that I don't tell enough of people to game. Yes, you don't tell others to leave you, or don't do bad things to you, and that's why they think that you are a coward person. You're fear of them. Okay, absorb others people's emotions. Tension. Okay, you are the person who want to help others. You are the sensitive person. You want to help others. If someone around them feels happy, they can also feel happy with them. Okay, they give others good comfort. Yes, you are the person that give others comfort, help others, spend time. People spend time with you, with happiness, a good time with you. You're a good person. Okay, मोहब्बत में मर्द मुशरिक और औरत महज है. औरत एक ही खुदा को दिल में सजाए इसको पूछती है, जबकि मर्द छोटी छोटी बेशुमार मूर्तियों की पूजा करता है. Definitely, in love, woman is the person who love with whole heart. Woman is the mother. She has a love for others. They care about others, and in love, the woman is the one who love the other with wholeheartedly. Okay. When the man is like lot of women in their life. They have a lot of women in their life. Okay, this is all for you, and in this month you are going to have some clarity about that person, or you are going to have a clarity about your own self, that you are not happy with this person and you can't live with them anymore. Okay, and you are just telling them this and doing something about it. that is you are going to leave that person with these cards. Okay, you are just planning in this month. You are not leaving this person at this month, but you are planning. You are telling them something happening is here, something changes here, but the change will happen in some other month. Okay, this is all for you, my dear Virgo. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, keep watching my videos. You will surely get some help from there, and with lots of good wishes. Bye.